In this video, you'll discover a huge mistake that at least 99% of websites are making right now. And you'll also see the solution to this. And once you do, you will never want to go back to the old way of doing list building and email marketing of almost every online business. And that's why you see no end to content and strategies and tools and services that are all focused on helping you get more subscribers. But funnily enough, despite that, more than 99% of websites are making one huge mistake in this area. On a conversion-focused website, you will see all kinds of different elements, such as opt-in forms in the sidebar, opt-in forms at the bottom of posts, content upgrades inside the posts, screen overlays, light boxes, and highly fine-tuned landing pages that all have one and the same goal: to get more subscribers onto your mailing list. And like we said, having a mailing list and growing a mailing list is a big deal, so this makes a lot of sense. But hold on a minute. Why is your mailing list so important? It's because of what happens after someone becomes a subscriber. Email subscribers are invariably going to be your most loyal return visitors, your most highly engaged fans, and your most valuable customers and clients. In other words, they are going to be the lifeblood of your website and your main income source. But now let's look at what happens when someone becomes a subscriber and then they return back to your website. They will still see the same opt-in forms all over your website. They will still see the same offers for things that they've already signed up for. And if they come back at a later date or from a different device, they will most likely also even be interrupted by your light boxes and screen overlays, again with offers that are completely redundant to them. So here you have the most valuable and most engaged part of your audience, and you're wasting all this space and you're directing their attention to all this stuff that is completely irrelevant to them. And that's just, well, kind of dumb, isn't it? And yet every website is doing exactly this. I'm happy to say that today we are introducing a solution to this problem, and it's called Thrive Smart Links. Smart Links is a feature in our Thrive Leads plugin, and it gives you control over what kind of content new visitors see compared to what kind of content existing subscribers see. Here's how it works. Here we have our example page or blog post, and we have a typical lead generation focused setup. So we've got an opt-in form in the sidebar right here. We've got another one at the bottom of the post, and we've also got one of these big unignorable overlays right here with, again, the opt-in offer. So this is a very effective setup to get new leads, but check this out. Here's what we can do with Smart Links. So Smart Links will give me a special link that I can use, and I can send this link in my emails. So whenever I send an email to my existing subscribers, I send them to this link, and here's the page that they will see when they come to my blog through this link. So what we have here is just the same page with the same content, but it's all cleaned up. So we're not showing these subscribers these opt-in offers in the sidebar at the bottom or an overlay. We're not interrupting our existing subscribers. They just get a clean, simple content page, no distractions and no redundant offers. This by itself is already really cool, and it's a great way to make your website behave more intelligently when it comes to your existing subscribers. But there is much more than that to Thrive Smart Links. Here's another example of a page setup with a special link. And here again, this is a link you can send to your existing subscribers. And here we can see we've got a different kind of content. So in the sidebar, we've got an ad for a premium product, right? In this case, an ebook. We're advertising an ebook. And then at the bottom of the post, we have the same thing. So instead of advertising the opt-in thing that these people have already signed up for, you're actually showing them an upsell or just an offer for a premium product. And you can do the same thing in any location, any way that you want. So we can also have this overlay that now advertises this special offer. And this is the other thing, because we know that only our subscribers will see this, we can do something like offer a subscriber discount. So instead of just saying, hey, buy my book the usual way, you can say, you're a subscriber, you're seeing this because you're on my mailing list, and here's a loyalty bonus. I'm giving you this $10 off or 10% off or whatever, or maybe you want to throw in a bonus offer. But because you know that this is being shown specifically to your existing subscribers, you can even make a special offer there and make this even more attractive. So right there you have a new and much more effective way to actually monetize your website, because you can purely focus on getting the lead for new visitors, and then you can advertise your products for existing subscribers. Now let me show you how this works. In your Thrive Leads dashboard, you will see this option right here. You click on this link symbol, and here's where you build your smart link. First, you define where on your website you want to send your visitors. In this case, it's a page called Smart Links Demo. So I select page from the dropdown, and you can send them to your blog index, your home page, to any post, or even a custom URL on your site. In this case, the fastest way to do this is just to start searching for the name of that page, and it gives me a drop down that does the searching for me. I select this as the correct page. Now you can either make the smart link apply to all forms on your site, or you can say, I want to target only a specific lead group. So maybe I want to only target this lead group, but not the other one. Then you can set the behavior of these forms, and you can either hide the forms, that was the first thing I showed, or you can show the already subscribed state. That's the alternate state of the form. And then you can define whether you want to show this alternate state only once, or whether you want your site to remember your visitors so that if they come back even through a non-email link, they will still see the smart content that you defined. And then you simply have your link here, you copy it here, and this is the link you place in your email, and it's as simple as that. To set up this behavior and these alternate styles for your forms, you simply go into your form editor in Thrive Leads, and here you have your default state. This would be your opt-in form. And then you can add a state, and you can add an already subscribed state. So this is the already subscribed state. This is what you want to show to people who are already subscribed and who you can recognize via the smart link as subscribers. And so here you can use the editor. You can change anything you want. You can change the message. You can change the whole look and feel of it. And you can replace this opt-in form with a purchase button or with whatever it is that you want to do. So as an example for the site I showed you, this is the widget design for the default state. This is what your visitors will see. And then we have an already subscribed state. And here we replaced the image, we changed the text, and we replaced the opt-in form with a button. So this is actually really simple to do. This took only a few minutes to set up. And instantly you'll have a much smarter website that can get you tons of leads and also help with promoting your business beyond the lead generation step. Are you starting to see how powerful this is? Thrive Smart Links are available right now in our Thrive Leads plugin. So if you're a customer or a member, you can start using them right away on your website. As you can probably tell, there is more to this feature than initially meets the eye. So we've put together some training content that gives you in-depth training and step-by-step examples of how exactly you can get the most out of Thrive Leads with the Smart Links feature. So check out the details below the video on how to get that. I hope you enjoy this latest addition to our plugin. Let us know by leaving a comment below what your thoughts on it are and if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon.